In this video, we're going to learn how to write numbers using digits. So how to write a number that's written out using digits. So if you have a problem like this that says, how do you write this number using digits? 23,558. So the first thing you need to do is use a place value chart. So we can see here that this is the 10,000s column, this is the thousands column, this is the hundreds column, this is the tens column, and this is the ones column. So the next thing, oh, and sorry, here, this is how a 10,000 looks, this is how a 1,000 looks, this is how a 100 looks, a 10 and a 1, okay? So next thing you do is break down the number, okay? So let's start doing that. So 20,000. So this is how 20,000 looks. Then we have 3,000. 3,000. Then we have 500. Here's 500. Then we have 50 here. This is 50. And then we have 8. And we have 8 here. Okay, so the next thing you have to do is add up these numbers. And it's pretty easy, right? 8 plus 0, 0, 0, 0 is 8. 5 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 5. 5 plus 0 plus 0 is 5. 3 plus 0 is 3. 2 plus nothing else is 2. So let's see. Add the numbers. So like I said, 8 plus all these zeros is 8. 5 plus all these zeros is 5. This 5 plus 2 zeros is still 5. 3 plus a 0 is 3. And then 2 is by itself. Okay? So we've wrote out this number using digits so we can fill it in the place value chart. And this is how it looks in the place value chart. Put the 2 here, the 3 here, the 5 here, the 5 here, and the 8 here. So this is 23,558. And don't worry if you don't understand this right away. You could just watch the video again. You're probably one explanation away from getting it. Also, in the description, I have links to my other videos that are similar to this, so you could get a little bit more practice. Also, I have a link to the ebook that you could download, and you can follow. It has this exact lesson in there, and you could follow in the ebook.